Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's one, I just want to talk a little bit about fire extinguishers and how important they really are. So as you all know, today we're actually enjoying a bit of rain out here for a change. But with the weather that we've been having and the fire permits and fire bans and just the overall Australian conditions, you know, it's so vital sometimes that you might be out on the road, either from an electrical issue or just from a campfire or even someone else's negligence, that a fire extinguisher can really save your life, the nature's life, and all the animals and everything else around you, as well as your investment as well. So in today's video, we're just going to jump in with the T60. So this is a homemade bracket that I've made up. It's just a $40 fire extinguisher from Supercheap. And I'll show you guys where and how I'm going to be installing that one, just to make it quick, easy, fast access to be able to get that just whenever you need that, so it's at hand and you can just grab it and go. Okay, in order to install the extinguisher, what we're going to be doing is mounting one of these brackets in there today. This is one that I've just made up at home and it just sits between the two seats there. And yeah, we'll get that in and then the extinguisher just bolts straight to the front of that. Okay, so to start things off, we're just going to remove these two plastic front covers. The whole thing only takes about 5-10 minutes here. If you're using a size 13, you can just remove the front of these two bolts for the seat. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to lift the seat up, so that's free now. Now at the back here, there are two pins that actually slot down back into the floor pan. And that's these two holes that those pins are going to sit through. So we'll lift those up, we'll slide this in, bolt those back in, and you're halfway there. There we go, I'll get that pressed down nice and tight, and then bolts go right back in again. Just to finish it off, make sure these go on nice and tight. They won't do any harm to add a bit of Loctite to these again as well. They do have some already in there, but it's always good to double up. Next up, we've got the fire extinguisher and the bracket that it comes with here as well. So we're just going to release that. Fire extinguisher just pulls right out. There we go. And then we've just got two more bolts for the back of this, and that just bolts right back into there. There we go, that's the bracket completely mounted. Add the fire extinguisher. And do the clip back up. Last but not least, we'll add the plastic covers again. And there you go, that's all mounted, ready to go.
Fun fact.
Fun fact?
That's the oldest bridge in Australia.
Is it actually?
Yep.
Is there a sign?
Yep.
What's the sign say?
It says oldest stone, or own stone structure built back in 1830.
You sure about that?
Took a photo just because I knew you'd ask. The next bridge is the oldest stone arch bridge in Australian mainland, located amongst the bush owners.
Well, there we go, that's it, that's installed. So we're talking 4 bolts later, all up about 20 minutes, and that's a fire extinguisher ready, all good to go inside my car as soon as I need it. It's nice quick access, it's out of the way. Where my seat is, it really does not an issue at all. I can't feel it with my feet, I don't kick it or anything like that either. And you're literally looking at the sake of 40 bucks for a fire extinguisher. And for the difference that can make for those times that you think you won't need it and then you do, like it could mean a world of difference to you as well. So think about it guys, maybe install one, maybe don't. It's up to you guys, but this is just some ideas from my side. Good luck.